Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the last session, we have seen how to create a new legal entity. Today, let's see how to create a physical calendar and update it in Ledger. So, let's go to this Ledger tab first. General Ledger, Setup and Ledger. Here we can see the physical calendar. So, using this drop down, we can select our physical calendar. Let's create our own physical calendar for this organization, legal entity. Uh, to create it, we have to go to this, we have to click on, we have to give right click and go to view details. And here we can create a new physical calendar from this page. So this is one of the shortcut to go to this physical calendar. The other way is go to this general ledger, setup and physical calendars. So this is the other way to go to this physical calendar. So let's click on this new physical calendar. Let's give a name MadX calendar. So MadX fiscal calendar, and our fiscal calendar will start from April 1st to March 31st. This is the financial year of Indian financial year. April 1st to March 31st. So this is from 2019 to 2020, and length of the period is 1, and we have to select month. So once you click create, a fiscal calendar is created. So in the period 0 is the starting date and period 13 is the closing date. So overall we will have 13 periods. And let's copy this calendar name, MadX calendar, and we need to update this in Ledger tab. Let's close this, go to our Ledger tab, and under this fiscal calendar we can use this drop down, or else if we know the calendar name, just type the calendar name and done. Now you have set your fiscal calendar in Ledger tab. Thanks for watching.